little bit different this time. We're on location, as you can tell. So the mini prints that we're going to talk about in this particular video came just before we got on a plane to go on vacation. So we thought we'd mix things up a little bit and do the review of those here. Hi everybody, I'm Joe Parker of the Pixel Depot, where we give model railroaders the knowledge, tools, and services they need to build a model railroad and the motivation to work on it right now. The story is that I've been a member of the Mini Print Subscription of the Month Club for a little bit. And every month when those come in, Laura loves to kind of guess what's in the package and try to identify those things before I actually tell her what they are. So that's what we're going to do in this particular video.
Okay, pretty excited. We've got new mini prints. Now they tell you what you get, but I don't like reading those. I like trying to see if I can figure out what everything is supposed to be. So let's dig in. Oh, we have something that has some sort of electronics. I'm guessing it lights up in some way. Oh. So, if I had to guess, it looks like a spectral vision of some kind. And given the fiber optic, you might be able to dangle her from the ceiling or have her coming out of the floor like she's floating. And it comes with, I don't know what the technical term is for this, but some sort of way to light her up. So that's pretty cool. And it's October, and that would align with Halloween. So that's what I'm going with on that one.
So according to Bernard, this is a floating ghost lady. Clear floating ghost lady, and it's extra fun because it's the first time he's used fiber optic cable. Plug the white LED that's included into any 7 to 19 volt AC or DC power source. Touch the end of the fiber optic and the lady will glow.
Ooh, so I was right on that one. Okay, what else have we got? Let's see what this is. A little plastic bag. Looks like we've got a pack of maybe dogs or fox, maybe werewolves. Let's find out. So, I'm thinking that this is a pack of 4 coyotes. Yep, going with coyotes. Am I right?
Yeah.
Or wolves. Very nice detail. I mean, even the ears. Those are coyotes. I'm going with coyotes.
Yes, those are redesigned coyotes.
Next, we have, let's see, oh, what are these? Gas cans? No. Sacks. They look like sacks of some kind, maybe grain. Another pack of 4. Definitely looks like a soft-sided bag. Stacked up somewhere, maybe in a granary.
Those are new leaf bags, ready for your fall leaves.
Ah, leaves. Okay. Could also be grain. And we have another minifigs 3D person. Can't quite tell what he's holding.
May have actually broken.
Oh, maybe.
That is local chef Chris M. in his dress whites to do the cooking.
Oh, wait, we have a smoker. So I think maybe he's supposed to be holding a spatula. Hang on. One moment. We have a very big smoking rig here. Let's see. So, yeah, portable smoker. We've got the heat box. Bag. Looks like you could hook it up to a trailer for all your tailgating needs. This is a pretty decent sized one. So yeah, so you can imagine, what's his name?
Chris M.
Chris M. Checking on his brisket and his ribs.
No, because there's a surprise that you'll find later.
Oh, okay, hang on. Wait, there is something else a little in the bag. Oh, it's very, very tiny. It's a turkey, or chicken. I think it's a turkey. It's tiny. Yep, So I think Chris was smoking a turkey, maybe for Thanksgiving.
Includes a turkey for your upcoming Thanksgiving feast.
Nice. Smoked turkey, that sounds good. Let's get one of those. Coming up, last but not least, it's large. Shut up, Seagull. You're ruining our shot.
Seagull wants our mini prints.
Well, who wouldn't? I mean, these are adorable. I wasn't joking when I said I love when I see these coming in the mail. Okay, so we have something on wheels. 4 very large wheels. And it's got a trailer hitch. And that looks like, I don't know specifically what it is. Some sort of thresher or thrasher or dethatcher. And the wheels go on the side, so it looks like you'd pull this with a tractor maybe. And whatever those, I don't know whether those are meant to just pull up soil or if those are meant to rotate something into the back of that hopper.
Think more poopy.
Poopy?
Poopy.
Poopy? I don't want to think more poopy. Like fertilizer?
It's a manure spreader.
Oh, lovely. Okay. It's a very lovely manure spreader. So does the manure is piled in the back and somehow it feeds off?
I think somebody pushes it. I think somebody's in there pushing it along.
Oh, that's a bad job. I would not appreciate that.
Need today, nothing today.
Nothing today.
No, thank you.
Coming tomorrow.
Tomorrow? No, probably not.
So you think somebody actually stands in here and...
I do, yes.
But there's no opening on the end, see? Unless that hatch is supposed to flop open.
Yeah, I don't know.
So, got a trailer hitch, probably could attach to a tractor. Very large size bed.
Alright, I think we're done.
I think we are.
So that's all for this one. We're going to be leaving Paradise here pretty shortly and back to our regular location. I'm Joe Parker of the Pixel Depot. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you meet me next time in the train room or on the beach or wherever we happen to be.